how much do inquiries impact my credit score? A lot of people are very afraid of having an inquiry on their credit report. The reality is that inquiries only impact a very, very small amount of your credit score. Each inquiry is worth approximately 1 to 5 points on average. It's not super severe. It is important to understand there are different types of inquiries as well. There are what's called hard inquiries and then soft inquiries. A soft inquiry is an inquiry for something like insurance or a cell phone plan or an apartment. A hard inquiry is an inquiry for credit. You're trying to obtain a new debt. This could be for a mortgage, an auto loan, a credit card, anything like that where you're trying to take out credit on behalf. Another important factor to consider with inquiries is when you're looking for a house, for instance, or you're shopping around for an auto loan, you can have multiple inquiries within a 30-day time frame and have it only impact your credit score itself as if it was one inquiry. You are going to see the inquiries on your credit report, but as far as the point value goes, it's considered shopping around. And this is only specific to things like student loans, auto loans, and then mortgages. This does not apply for credit cards. It only applies for those types of products.